Hi friends, I am Virbhadra Yademaya from AVSM Academy. Welcome to you to our institution for your science education. On behalf of our Gopinoli Employees Association, by informing our esteemed members of the Employees Association and the executive committee members, let us start our VVSM academic classes. It is a school of arts and science, a mission with a vision, my dear friends. Let us have a brief discussion about the science education in high school as well as in collegiate level. Okay, dear students, as usual, your discipline you should follow. Yes, COVID, use mask. Then, as usual, social distance. Sanitize your hands periodically with soap solution. Chapter 4 of the 7th ICSE students of 7th standard class. This is atomic structure. In the atomic structure, we have studied the atom consists of electrons, protons and neutrons. The electrons and protons and neutrons. The electrons which are revolving around the nucleus of an atom in different orbital levels, and the protons and neutrons are packed together in the nucleus, which is called the nucleus of an atom. And atomic models, we have discussed Bohr's theory and as well as the Bohr's atomic model. Well, my dear friends, Bohr's atomic model, we have so many scientific concepts we have learned from Niels Bohr, a great scientist, a Nobel laureate. He is in 1913 to his contribution to the atomic structure. So friends, now I would like to divert your attention towards the discovery of atomic nucleus or atomic models. This is Thomson and his student Rutherford discussing about the discovery of atomic nucleus, that is atomic structure only. There are so many atomic models come across. First one is Bohr's model. After that, Thomson atomic model, that is Plum-Pudding atomic model, and Rutherford's atomic model and quantum atomic model. So many models are there regarding the atomic structure. Rutherford Goldfile experiment is a famous experiment in physics. The Rutherford Goldfile experiment offered the first experimental evidence that led to the discovery of the nucleus of an atom, a small, dense and positively charged atomic core. The center of the atom is called atomic core, my dear friends. A three-dimensional view of an apparatus similar to a geyser and a Marsden spiral cylindrical interaction, clearly showing the scattering of alpha particles by Goldfile. J.J. Thomson, following his discovery of an electron, held that atoms were comprised of sphere of positive electric charge dotted by the presence of negatively charged electrons. My dear students, you have to follow up keen interest, concentrate more and more on science education. Concentration is very important during the classroom atmosphere, my dear students. Don't divert your attention under any circumstances for wrong thoughts. You see here, Rutherford Goldfile experiment is a famous experiment. What he did is alpha particles, yes, discharging of alpha particles from the source, radiation source, that is radium. You know, radium is a radioactive element discovered by the great scientist by name Madame Curie. We will discuss so many things about Madame Curie, and she was the radium discovered radium. So radium gives, any radioactive element gives alpha, beta and gamma rays, man. This alpha particles are scattering is now, it is falls on the gold foil, and some of the rays are passing through. Almost all 95 to 98% of alpha particle beam radiations are passing through the gold foil. A few or one or two are reflected. They are reflected back, and it has been traced by a fluorescent screen. That's how the gold foil experiment explains. I would like to divert your attention towards the Thomson atomic model. Sir J.J. Thomson plum pudding model, or a blueberry muffin model, proposed in 1904. You observe, this is a very important plum pudding atomic model. Thomson studied magnetic and electric properties of cathode rays. He was a great scientist. He described that cathode rays were negatively charged corpuscles, which were later renamed as electrons and were constituents of atoms. At that time, it was known that atoms were electrically neutral. To explain this, he introduced the presence of the positive charge in an atom such that positive charge counterbalances the negative charge. The positive charge and the negative charge are counterbalances. They neutralize. They are neutralizing, neutral. Therefore, atoms are always neutral. That's why that electrons and protons are packed. The protons and neutrons are packed together in the nucleus, and the electrons which are revolving. How the electrostatic forces have been hold the nucleus of an atom, and hence atom as a whole is a neutral. Knowledge of the nucleus not revealed on those days. Nucleus has not revealed. Just we know that at that time, at the moment Thomson studied about the structure of atom, plum pudding atomic model. This is in those days the knowledge of the nucleus not revealed. Therefore, thus Thomson conceptualized the atom as a number of negatively electrified corpuscles enclosed in the sphere of uniform positive electrification. As per the model, the negatively charged electrons experience the net electrostatic force by the positively charged sphere toward the center of the atom. There is also a repulsive force between electrons. You observe the pudding atomic model. These are the watermelon, ಕಲ್ಲಂಗಡಿ ಹಣ್ಣು. ಈ ಕಲ್ಲಂಗಡಿ ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಕೊಯ್ದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬೀಜಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಬೀಜಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಹಣ್ಣೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ಕೆಂಪು ಕಾಣೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ದಿ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ J.J. Thomson's. Okay. Now the electrons in the cloud of the uniform positive charge is similar to the plums in a pudding of a popular British dessert. Hence the model got its name, the plum pudding model. This is plum pudding model is a very important model. They may ask in the examination. This is all about the study. So the Thomson model, Rutherford model, all these things are very important during our science study, science education, in the atomic structure particularly. This is Thomson, Sir J.J. Thomson, the great Nobel laureate, and he is another scientist. He is the student of Thomson, Rutherford, student of Thomson actually. If you turn the pages of the history of science, you will come to know all these things. Okay, now I don't want to discuss all those things of the history. Thomson and Rutherford combining together, discussing about the atomic nucleus. Discovery atomic nucleus, a comparison between J.J. Thomson plum pudding atomic model and the Rutherford atomic model. Its nucleus, alpha particles and the scattering or lack of therefore depicted by paths of the black arrows by Rutherford. This black arrows, only small, some of the alpha particles are rebounding back because of the core of the atom as a whole is hard. Some protons and neutrons are there. That is the core of the atom, just they mentioned as the core of the atom. That's all. Now that is how the things comes out in the form of. Okay, this is ions. We will discuss later in the forthcoming classes, my dear friends. So these are the very important atomic models in the structure of atom concerned. So my dear friends, if you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. That is our request. Like, share, or subscribe, and don't forget to press bell icon, my dear friends. This is VVSM Academy serving the rural students of Karnataka 24/7. At any time you can call me, Veerabhadraya Demaya Gopinali. 9663828428 is my mobile number. Clarify your doubts in science.